In Composer, Dante devices added to a site file will automatically create one or more transmit channels, which then automatically create Dante receive buses in the design view. Sometimes, a third-party Dante device will have more channels available than is desired in a site file. For example, a Yamaha mixing console may have 64 channels available, but the site file only requires the two main left and right outs, or a combination of other channels. Looking in the design view here, we can see the Dante receive bus that was automatically created when the XIO 4x4 was added only contains 4 channels. While this may seem nice and neat, you can imagine how much real estate a 64-channel bus would take up. We can break these channels into multiple, smaller buses that we can more easily use in site files. Looking back at the site view, open up the Dante device, in this case the XIO 4x4. In this example, we'll create a bus for channels 1 and 2 that can represent main left and right, and another bus that uses channel 4, which can represent a summed mono mix. Channel 3 will be left out for purposes of the example. Click on one of the bus channels in the transmission area and click Delete Bus. Then notice that none of the 4 channels available have a transmission bus. Click on the first channel and click Add Bus, and the new Network Audio Bus dialog will appear. Notice that the bus name has automatically updated to bus number 2. Edit the Dante bus channels to reflect only 2 channels and click OK. We see that bus number 2 has been applied to channels 1 and 2 of the XIO 4x4 transmit channels. Now, click on channel 4 and click Add Bus to bring up the new Network Audio Bus dialog. Notice the new bus name of 3. Make sure the bus channel count is set to 1 and click OK. We can now see in the XIO 4x4 audio transmission that channels 1 and 2 are sending on bus 2 while channel 4 is sending on bus 3. Click OK and open up the design view. Note that the XIO bus number 1 is no longer available because we deleted it, even though the bus module still exists. We can also delete this as it is now unnecessary because buses 2 and 3 are available. If you'd like to double-check that the buses are connected, right-click on the bus and select Show Network Audio Transmit Module. It should flash back to the site view and highlight the connected unit.